This is why I don't fucking drive. This one's called 357 Highway Blues.
Time to go. Now it's fucking bad. Just one more reason to get me fucking mad. Out to the highway, and off I fucking go. I'm on a mission, and someone gonna know. A 357 Highway Blues.